Hello students, welcome to a quick announcement video students. Tonight at 9:30 p.m. we are going to have our second class, the second session on the entire important analysis on the amendment which are made by the Finance Act 2020. This entire analysis students that we all are doing, my request to all the students who would be appearing for May 21 attempt, and also those students who have appeared in Jan 21 attempt and waiting for the results, please ensure to go through this particular amendments lectures very carefully. The best part students is that yesterday primarily we have taken a live session, and in fact the best part of this entire scheme was that many students have got an opportunity to create a situation, like there were certain queries. This was not actually a query, but students, the amendments are so technical. Like yesterday we did about this non-resident Indian, the first amendment, the non-resident taxation, the individual, the non-resident individual. So very far-reaching amendment has been made, and it was so good to know students asking their queries. Actually it was not a query, but it was all about the situations. So I will strongly recommend to all of you students to attend our live session on the amendment. Every night 9:30 p.m. I am conducting the live lectures at the Unacademy platform. Students, this entire PDF file which I have created exclusively for the amendment applicable for May 21 attempt. So yesterday we have done with the non-resident individual. Those who could not attend that session, don't worry, you just go follow the link, join my Telegram channel CA Durgesh Singh, and in that Telegram channel CA Durgesh Singh you will find this PDF file. So what you should do is that but those students will say, sir, what about the link of the yesterday's lecture if we have missed? So in that case students, again you will find the link of all this amendment lectures. So that was lecture number 1. Just ensure that if you are doing an offline lecture, students, you may have to put a code on that, and the code that you will have to put is CADS. So this is a code that you will put it so as to view those lecture in the offline mode. Tonight 9:30 p.m. students, we will be looking for the other amendments in respect of non-resident taxation and transfer pricing. There are certain very important amendments that has been made. In fact, that is in respect of the royalty. This is in respect of the mutual agreement procedure, the introduction of a new rules which is introduced in the last year 2020. So many students are unaware of that particular rules which is relating to mutual agreement procedures. So that is one thing that, in fact, for that I've already made the flow chart students, the flow chart of that particular rules which was introduced in FA 2020. Then certain exemption provisions which are also newly introduced. So this is the flow chart which I have prepared for the entire MAP Finance Act 2020. So this is what we are going to discuss it tonight. Plus, let me see the most important one, the recent equalization levy, the new set of provision on equalization levy. Will be trying to deal with the same. Students, you just follow whatever primarily I am going to do it, because such a comprehensive analysis of the provisions which are newly introduced applicable for the upcoming May 21 amendment, May 21 attempt will be analyzed. There are more to it which I'll let you know in the tonight lecture. If you have not downloaded the Unacademy Learning app, please do the same, and do follow my profile Durgesh Singh. Durgesh Singh is my profile, and to unlock any of my videos you will have to put a code which is CADS. Fine. The link of the second lecture tonight, the link of the second class tonight, I'm putting it in the description box. Please have a look to the same. Fine students, let's crack this particular examination together. I'll see you tonight 9:30 p.m. Thank you.